Welcome to 9422 East Static Avenue, a beautifully upgraded 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a den in the highly desirable Eastmark community. Step inside to a bright, open layout filled with natural light, tile flooring, and shutters throughout. The Gourmet kitchen features 42-inch white cabinets, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, a large pantry, and an RO system. The large primary suite offers a relaxing bath with dual sinks, a soaking tub, separate shower, and walk-in closet. Out back, enjoy the extended patio and grassy yard, perfect for gatherings or quiet evenings. Additional highlights include a Paver driveway, epoxy garage floors, water softener, and exterior lighting. All this within Eastmark, where parks, pools, community events, and a vibrant lifestyle await.